Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can translate PDF files to different languages. So let's get started. First of all, you can open any of the search engine. For example, I'm going to open Safari. You can open Google Chrome, whichever you have on your device. And then you're going to search for translate PDF. So simply type down translate PDF and hit enter. So here you're going to search for the tool that says small PDF. You can use other tools as well, but I find it more easier to use. So you're going to click on choose files and then click on choose files. Over here, navigate to that PDF that you wish to convert. For example, I'm going to select this one and then click on open at the top right. So it's going to analyze it with AI. So wait patiently for that. And then you're going to click on entire document and click on translate. Now it's going to translate into English. If you wish to translate into any other language other than English, you're going to click on this drop down and select any other language. For example, I'm going to select French and now it's going to translate to French. So once it is translated completely, you're going to click on three dots here at the bottom right and then click on share, and then you can simply download it or share it to anyone you want. So that is basically how you can translate PDF files to different languages. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.